I'm just waiting for Khadija to do her scarf. She's been gone a while. But yeah, thought I'd let you know.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kay's Kitchen, and this is
Samara.
and I am Khadija. We're here, I try to show you quick and easy, wonderful recipes that you can make, bake and shake. I'll be showing you something that you can bake today.
Fun times, and I'll get to try it and give you my honest opinion.
Yeah, actually going to bake the school cake. I don't know if anybody remembers back in their days.
Oh, that sounds good.
School time, they used to have like this cake with this lovely like bit of icing and sprinkles on it.
Oh my god, I remember that cake. So it's like a sponge cake with like white icing usually.
Yes.
And just sprinkles.
Custard.
And yeah, they usually give it to you with custard.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds
so
good.
I had a lot of mums through my Instagram when I first started out my YouTube food channel say to me, can you please show me how to make cakes, because I want to make it with my kids. So I'm going to show you how to make the cakes that I make and lots of people like.
I love desserts. Yeah. I haven't tasted this one before.
And it's a spongy one, it's lovely and fresh, and it literally stays spongy for ages, as long as of course you put it in a tightly sealed container. So I'm going to go off to the kitchen, do my bake and shake in there for you guys, bring it back out.
Yeah.
And we are going to taste it.
Woo, good times. I love desserts.
So,
I
see
really
you
do.
later.
Bye.
So we are here in the kitchen, and here we have a big mixing bowl for all the ingredients to go in. What we have here is 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of white sugar, 100 grams of soft butter, 2 eggs, and vanilla essence. You can pick whichever brand you would like to use for your vanilla essence flavoring. In the bowl now, we will add firstly the white sugar and the soft butter. We are going to mix this with an electric whisk for about 30 to 40 seconds, not any more than that. Let's give that a good mix so it creams together. Like so. Now we can add the eggs. You can crack the eggs separate in a separate bowl and then add it to the mixture, but I've been doing this for so long, I'm going to do like this and show you guys. So that's the 2 eggs. We are going to give this another mix for another 30 to 40 seconds. Please remember not to overbeat the eggs in the mixture. So now we can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we can add the self-raising flour. I'm going to give this a slight mix with the spatula just so it doesn't form a massive cloud once we start to use the electric whisk. Although you will see a slight cloud, that's okay. Go. We will give that a mix for another 30 to 40 seconds until it smooths out nicely. If you have children, get them involved in this, especially in the mixing part. Okay, so the cake batter is now ready. You'll see it fall off the spatula, that means it is perfect. So here's a square tin, cake tin, which is 7 inches. We're going to butter that from the inside. So it's all nicely greased from the inside with butter around the edges and the corners. We can add the baking paper to it. Make sure the baking paper is stuck down nicely from the inside. And we can add the cake batter to it now, so make sure your oven is already on. It's preheated on gas mark 3, and we will bake the cake for 20 minutes. Okay, so just going to level that out, give it a little shake. Perfect. And here in the cup I have 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and 300 grams of icing sugar that we will mix together. Now this is mixed. This is the consistency you need, not too thick and not too thin. And we will use this to decorate the cake once the cake has cooled down. And just to see and make sure that your cake is cooked, get a toothpick, pierce it through in the middle. If it comes out clear, that means it's baked through perfectly. Okay, so mine has. Here we go with the decorating. Definitely get the kids involved. This is the messiest part, but the fun part. And give it a little smudge out like this, and add the beautiful sprinkles. Beautiful old school cake, sponge cake. It smells exactly the same. Takes me back to school dinners, school puddings. And if you just give it a little squeeze, you'll see it actually bounce back. This is perfect with or without custard, however you want to eat this.
So here it is, guys, school sponge cake with your icing on top. I've used a bit more of a colourful sprinkles. It's called unicorn. So here it is. You can see from here, and Samira is going to taste it because it was a bit of a kerfuffle for me to try and like shove it from under my scarf.
Okay.
So I'm just going to let you be and let you have your moment.
Ooh, okay. I'm just. Oh, I don't know what size to pick up.
Oh God, she does this all the time.
Look at the sizes. Like
All
they're so
the
different.
time.
Like these two are massive and
She'll
these two
actually
are
tell
smaller.
you the measurements.
I'm not that bad, but I don't know if I want like a massive one. I don't want the tiny one because that's like a bite. Ain't no one gonna have one bite of cake.
Ain't nobody got time for
Yeah,
this.
so I might just go for the one in front of me, which is the bigger one. Let's not lie.
The belly, I can't even have that.
Okay, so just to say, I've picked it up. It's very light and spongy. You can kind of feel it. It's nice and soft.
Give it a squeeze.
Texture's
if you
good.
like.
I don't want it to come apart before I eat it. So, but it is soft. It is holding its shape. I'm excited to try it. Okay, guys. This feels
Okay.
weird because you're not eating with me. But okay.
Oh, no. I will later when I whip this off. I'll be joining you.
This is so good.
And it smells really nice. Like, I can smell the vanilla, the cakey smell.
It's like got that proper home baked smell to it.
The cakes stay soft and spongy, you know, for
Very
however long
soft.
they have it for. I know there's been points where people have refrigerated it and expecting it to come out like maybe not so soft anymore, or you know, that moisture that it holds.
They
in
do go
actual
quite
fact-
dry in the fridge cakes too, but this
Yeah.
is
But this
it's
one
really
won't.
good.
Yeah.
So that's a winner for me.
Yay!
It was very good.
Yeah, thumbs up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me make the cake, the recipe for it. Everything's listed down below in the description box. Don't forget to click like on this video if you've enjoyed watching it, and of course if you do decide to make this, please share the videos or pictures with us either on my Instagram, which is kskitchen07, or even on the YouTube. Comments below, you can leave a comment as well. And we also have our Snapchat
Yeah,
ID now,
we do.
so you guys can always post stuff there. We would love to hear from you guys.
We like feedback.
We like feedback.
Yeah.
Yes
Underscore kitchen
kitchen
07.
So there you'll see just us like off camera, just the way we are, you know, crazy.
They kind of see that anyway on the
Yeah.
channel, but
But
yeah.
a bit more.
It's just
It's
a
a
bit,
bit more
it's
like
us.
us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is quite like take 1, take 100, you know.
Take 157.
But
take
that's just
122.
standard. We're not making it like perfect.
Yeah,
It is just
it
what
is.
we are.
Whatever you see will be us. So definitely hit us up on, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. There's also a bell notification there, so if you click on that, it will always remind you of any upcoming videos that I have uploaded.
Yeah.
So inshallah guys, we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.